Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.7 question number 5. Question number 5. 5. Question number 5 and that is number is this one, question number 5. That is 5 is here you see 0.5 divided by 0.25. 0.25 that is equal to 0.5. 0.5 can be written as in decimal form, right? Therefore 0.5 can be written as change into convert into fraction, that is 5 by 10. 5 by 10 divided by, and 0.25 can be converted into fraction, that is 25 by 100. That is equal to 5 by 10 multiply, it is divided by, therefore you have to write the reciprocal of 25 by 100. The reciprocal of 25 by 100 is 100 by 25. 100 by 25. Right? Now if we cut this by 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25. And this 0 will cut, and 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. That is equal to 2 by 1 is equal to 2 answer. 2 is the answer. Right? Now question number 6. Question number 6 is, here you see, question number 6 is 7.75, 7.75 divided by 0.25, 0.25. First convert the decimal into fraction, that is 7, 5 by 100 divided by 25 by 100, that is equal to 775 by 100 multiply the reciprocal of 25 by 100. The reciprocal of 25 by 100 is 100 by 25. 100 by 25. Right? This 0 will be cut and this 0 will also be cut. Right? If we divide by 5, is 5 5 is 25. And here also 5 1 is 5, 6 1 2 27, 5 is 25, 2 25, again 5 4 is 25. Again if you divide by 5, that is 5 1 is 5, here 5 3 is 15, 5 1 is 5, that is comes to 31 by 1, 31 by 1, and that is equal to 31. This is the answer. Right? Now question number 7. Question number 7 is, here you see, question number 7 is 76.5, 76.5 divided by 0.15, 0.15. Right? Now it can be written as, first convert this decimal into fraction, that is 765 by 10 divided by 0.15, that is 15 by 100. Here you can write here as 765 by 10 into the reciprocal of 15 by 100 is 100 by 15, that is 100 by 15 right? This 0 will cut, right? Now we'll divide 765 by 15, or you can cut it by 5 also. Let us cut it by 5. The 5 3 is a 15, and it is 5 1 is 5, 6 1 2 26, 5 5 is 25, 1 15, 5 3 is a 15, right? Again cut it by 3. 3 1 is 3, and it will be 3 5 is 15, and 3 1 is 3. It comes to 51. That is 51 into 10. 51 into 10 is 510. 5 1 0. This is the answer of question number 7. Right. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is 5 6 7 8. Here you see question number 8 is 37.8. 37.8 divided by 1.4. 1.4. First of all, you have to change the decimal into fraction. That is 378 by 10 divided by 1.4, that is 14 by 10. That will be equal to 378 by 10 multiply the reciprocal of 14 by 10. The reciprocal of 14 by 10 is 10 by 14. It's 10 by 14. Right? If we divide this number, this 0 will cut. Now we divide it by 2. 2 7 is 14. And divide it by 2, that is 2 1 is 2. Right? 17. 2 8 is 16. 1 18. 2 9 is 18. Right? Now divide it by 7. It is 7 1 is 7. Here 7 2 is 14. 49. 7 7 is 49. 7 7 is 49. Therefore it comes to 27. 27. Right? This is the answer of question number 8. Right? Now we'll solve question number 9. Okay? Now we'll solve question number 9. Here the question number 9 is 2.73 divided by 1.3. That means it can be written as, first convert the decimal into fraction. There is 273 by 100 divided by 13 by 10. That can be written as 273 divided by 100 multiply, if you write the reciprocal of 13 by 10, the reciprocal of 13 by 10 is 10 by 13. That is 10 by 13. 1 0 will cut here. And if you divide 273 by 13, what you are getting? 273. Divide this number by 13. That is 13 2 is 26. 27 minus 26 is 1 3. And 13 1 is 13. That means you are getting 21 by 10. 21 by 10. Right? If we cut by 13 273, it will be 13 1 is 13. and 273 is 21. It comes to 21 by 10. The point is here. That means you have to shift the point to the left side one place, that is 2.1. That comes to 2.1. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.